So students, next topic is your properties of bases. Okay, so there are different properties of bases. First one is the bitter taste. You have studied it in the earlier classes also. The taste of bases is bitter, and also it feels soapy to touch. Okay, so basically the bases feel soapy to touch. When we touch them, it feels soapy. It turns red litmus to blue. Okay, so the red litmus turns blue in color when it comes in contact with the base. Now here are some chemical properties of bases. First one is when a base is reacted with a metal, it will form hydrogen gas. Okay, here is your sodium hydroxide. We are taking the example of a base which is sodium hydroxide. It is reacting with a metal which is zinc, and it will form sodium zincate. Okay, this is your sodium zincate. Okay, so sodium zincate is produced by, and it also produces hydrogen gas. Okay, next one is when a base reacts with an acid, it forms salt and water. This you must remember, in the earlier class I had told you that the reaction between an acid and a base is also known as a neutralization reaction. Okay, this is your neutralization reaction. Okay, so neutralization reaction, this is example of your neutralization reaction in which a base is reacting with an acid. This is known as neutralization reaction, and it produces salt and water. Okay, so again I am telling you that this topic is very important. Neutralization reaction, it comes in board exam, so learn it examples, and also go through these topics. This is very important for you in terms of board exam also. Okay, so students, now we have strong bases and weak bases. Okay, so strong bases are similar to the strong acids. So strong bases are basically those which ionize completely in water. Ionize completely in water are known as strong bases. Okay, so those bases which ionize completely in water are known as strong bases. For example, NaOH. Okay, one thing which you should know, that when hydrogen ionize, when acids ionize, they produce H positive ions, and when H positive ions in common, and when bases ionize, then they produce OH negative ions, that is hydroxide ion and commons. Okay, so when sodium hydroxide will ionize, it will produce Na positive and plus OH negative, that is hydroxide ions. Okay, similarly weak bases are those bases which do not ionize completely in water. Okay, example, ammonium hydroxide, NH4OH. When it will ionize, it will form NH4 positive, that is ammonium ion, and plus hydroxide ion. Okay, so these are the bases, the bases which do not ionize completely in water are known as weak bases. Okay, and as it will not ionize completely in water, that it means that it will produce lesser amount of hydroxide ion as compared to the strong bases. Okay, so weak bases will produce lesser amount of hydroxide ion as compared to the strong bases.